What's going on, everyone? This is Kevin Breeze here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the new Alcatel Tetra faster. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take the shade here and move it down and go to the settings. Then from the settings you're going to go down to System, and then from System you're going to go to About Phone, then go down to the build number and tap on that several times until you now activate developer mode. Now that you've done that and it says that you are now a developer, you go back and you'll see this new option here called developer options. You're going to tap on developer options and then you're going to scroll down quite a ways until you see settings here about the window animations. Now by default the window animations are set at 0.5x and then the animator duration scale is set at 1x. Now you can basically turn these animations off, which would make the device run faster, or you can make these animations longer, but we're going to turn the animations off here and see what it does to the performance of the device. And you can see that everything is just a lot snappier having these animations off. So if you don't need the animations, if that's something that doesn't really add anything to your personal experience when using this device, then I recommend turning them off, because it is going to make things a lot faster here, because you're not going to have to take the time that is normally associated with those animations actually being in place. So you can see here, you're just not wasting time waiting for the animations to go through. It gives the device one less function to do because it doesn't have to even do those animations, and you're able to quickly navigate around the device here. Now if you wanted to, you can go back to that setting, which is in System, Developer Options again, and then scroll down to the animations here. And you could make these way longer, make them at 10x. So if you 10x these animations, you can already see how slow they are. So I think any normal user of this device is not going to want to do this because it just makes things ridiculously slow. But it is kind of interesting that we still have that ability here on the device. So you can make the animation super slow if you wanted to. But I just don't see where this would be practical for anybody who would actually want to use this on a day-to-day basis. But it is an option, so that's kind of interesting. But for me personally, I'm going to keep it at the 0 animations because I think that's the best way to do it here, especially with this device already being kind of a lower-end smartphone where you kind of need as much speed as you can get. So I think putting this on no animations just makes it a little bit snappier, a little bit faster, and just makes the general experience of using this device better. So I'm going to put those on off, put it on off, and there we go. And of course, if you want to go back to the default, you can just do 0.5 for those two, the window animation scale and the transition animation scale, and then do the animator duration scale at 1x, and that's the default. That's how we found it in the first place. Now, none of this has anything to do with harming your device. This is all completely reversible, and if you wanted to factory reset your device, then you would just go back to the defaults, and it would even undo activating developer mode. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make the Alcatel Tetra faster. If you liked it, then give me a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you again for watching. This is Kevin Breeze here, and I'll see you in the next one.